Remember, when operating machines, use protective gloves. It is also a good idea to wear a protective layer of latex gloves under your primary gloves to further protect your skin. Be sure to use knee pads or a kneeling pad to protect your knees. Never operate the machine without using a 3-pronged GFCI power cord, and place a hazard cone near the work area to notify people to stay back. A face shield should also be worn over OSHA-approved safety glasses for added face protection. Glasses should display the Z87 OSHA stamp on the lens or nosepiece. Place the forward-off reverse switch in the off position. Manually pull the cable from the reel and insert the blade into the opening so there is no danger of injury when the machine is started. Place the forward-off reverse switch in the forward position. To begin cleaning, step on the air foot switch to start the machine. When cleaning is complete or the clog has been removed, pull the cable back toward the machine and the blade should remain in the pipe. Remove your foot from the air foot switch to stop the machine. When the machine has come to a complete stop, place the forward-off reverse in the off position. Remove the cable and blade from the pipe and push the cable back into the reel manually. Reminder: never remove the blade from the opening while the machine is running. When you have finished working, make sure the machine is in the off position at the forward-off reverse switch and then unplug the machine. Push the remainder of the cable into the machine and remove the blade to prevent accidental injury or property damage. To transport the machine, you can adjust the handle to 3 different positions. Simply remove the locking pins and slide the handle up or down to the desired position. Resecure using locking pins. When loading the machine into your service vehicle, simply replace the horizontal support legs with the optional loading wheels. Slide the loading wheel attachment into the frame tubes and secure with the locking pins. Place the forward-off reverse switch in the off position. When using the PCFR, loosen the handle on the top of the PCFR so that the cable moves freely. Manually pull the cable from the reel and insert the blade into the pipe so there is no danger of injury when the machine is started. To begin cleaning, retighten the PCFR handle and place the PCFR handle in the F or forward position. Place the forward-off reverse switch in the forward position. Step on the air foot switch to start the machine. When cleaning is complete or the clog has been removed, stop the machine by releasing the foot switch. Place the PCFR handle in the R or reverse position. The forward-off reverse switch will remain in the forward position. Start the machine using the foot switch. The PCFR will pull the cable back toward the machine. Stop the machine by releasing the foot switch while the blade remains in the pipe. When the machine has come to a complete stop, place the PCFR handle in the N or neutral position. Place the forward-off reverse switch in the off position. Loosen the tension handle on the top of the PCFR until the cable moves freely. Remove the cable and blade from the pipe and push the cable back into the reel manually. Reminder: never remove the blade from the opening while the machine is running. When you have finished working, make sure the machine is in the off position at the forward-off reverse switch and then unplug the machine. Push the remainder of the cable into the machine and remove the blade to prevent accidental injury or property damage. Tighten the handle down on the PCFR to secure the cable while transporting. To transport the machine, you can adjust the handle to 3 different positions. Simply remove the locking pins and slide the handle up or down to the desired position. Resecure by using the locking pins. Always remember to secure the toolbox lid with the latch before operating the machine. When cleaning an elevated stack, the machine is equipped with horizontal support legs. Simply slide the legs into the universal frame tubes and secure in place with the locking pins. The support legs will stabilize the machine when running in the horizontal position, preventing the machine from moving when in operation. Tilt the machine back and carefully lie it down to rest on the support legs. The support legs are covered with non-marring rubber tips to prevent marks on the floor. We recommend breaking down the machine when transporting up and down stairs. The machine and reel can be transported separately, which will reduce the weight of the unit and reduce the chance of serious injury. The upright is equipped with stair climbers at the back of the machine. Stair climbers will help prevent damage to steps and help slide the machine up or down. Tilt the machine back so that the stair climbers gently rest on the edge of the step. Using both hands on the machine handle, pull the machine up the stairs. To go down, gently roll the machine towards the stair until the wheel rolls over the front of the step. You must maintain pulling back on the machine as it rolls over the edge of the step. The machine will roll onto the stair climbers and drop to the next step. Repeat this procedure until you reach the bottom of the stairs. The 9200, or the upright machine, features a built-in toolbox which holds tools which are specific to the upright. Conveniently located at the back of the machine, the toolbox has a lock that keeps the lid shut during operation or while transporting the machine. Each machine is also packaged with convenient wheel covers. Wheel covers are a precautionary method to help keep your machine from tracking into a customer's home or business. Wheel covers are available to reorder from Roto-Rooter Corporation. The upright machine comes standard with horizontal legs which fit into the built-in toolbox. The horizontal legs easily slide into the frame and lock into place with the locking pins attached with a lanyard. Just remove the pin, slide the leg into the correct position, and reinsert the locking pin. This allows you to lay the machine down on its back and operate horizontally. Each upright also comes standard with a power cable feed in return, or PCFR. The PCFR can be removed. To remove the PCFR, use the specific tool that is located in the toolbox. Loosen the bolts located at the top of the head bearing directly behind the PCFR. Hold on to the PCFR to prevent it from falling on the floor, which could cause injury. Once the bolts are loosened, gently slide the PCFR away from the machine. To remove the reel from the machine, use the specific tool that came with the machine to loosen the swing bolts located on each side of the steel head bearing. Swing the bolts into the downward position. Remove the arm by pulling it towards you. Remove the inner reel by pulling it forward. The outer reel also comes off by pulling forward with both hands. Loading wheels can also be purchased as an option. These wheels make it very easy to load the machine into a vehicle. To attach the loading wheels, just remove the locking pins on the top of the frame near the toolbox on both the left and the right side. Slide the loading wheels into place and slide the locking pins back to secure the loading wheels. When loading cable into a machine, place the cable box upward. This means that the part number will be face up, so when looking at the box from the side, you will be able to read the part number. When taking cable out of the box, it is important to take the correct end out first. This is the end with a cable tag on it. Taking the wrong end of the cable out first could cause the cable to kink or nest. When taking the cable tag off, retain the tag in case of a defect in material, which will make it easier to return the product. After taking the tag off, bring the cable end close to the machine. The upright machine features a leader, so you will slide the cable end onto the end fitting and secure by tightening the bolts with a wrench on both sides of the cable. To load the cable, use a forward pushing motion to guide the cable through the PCFR and into the reel. Continue to push the cable into the reel to fully load the cable.